Welcome to another Ayehu NG demo. In this video, we'll showcase Ayehu NG's integration with PagerDuty. The integration can be downloaded from Ayehu's GitHub community repository. Ayehu's integration allows you to interact with and take action upon PagerDuty alerts, incidents, and notifications. Let's start by viewing PagerDuty's dashboard. Here we can see there are no current incidents. Now we see an incident showing our business portal went down. It's been marked high urgency. If we click on the incident and select the Timeline tab, we can see Ayehu NG intercepted this PagerDuty alert. Some system health metrics were captured from the application pool. At the bottom, we see a recommendation from Ayehu to restart the default application pool. Before executing that restart, let's click the More Actions button above. Here we can see some options that Ayehu's integration with PagerDuty made available for this alert. You can run a test, recycle an application pool, and restart a service. Let's run a portal test and view the results. On the Timeline tab, we see PagerDuty requested that Ayehu NG run a business portal test. The result showed the business portal was not available, confirming our previous alert. Let's click again on the More Actions button and try recycling the application pool. This is what Ayehu NG recommended prior to our business portal test. We see on the Timeline tab that this worked, and the business portal is back online. Let's take a closer look at the ServiceNow ticket number generated for this incident. Ayehu NG automatically created this ticket and dynamically populated its fields as part of its integration with PagerDuty. The work notes recorded all the information captured from the PagerDuty alert. Please also note that the ServiceNow Ticket's state field has been marked resolved. Now, let's go behind the scenes to review the Ayehu NG workflow, which automated remediation of this PagerDuty incident. The first step in our workflow is to do some triage by testing for a false positive. If a false positive is true, we branch down the left side of the workflow. Using some custom PagerDuty activities from our GitHub community repository, we can do things like update the incident and add a note to the alert. Otherwise, we branch down the workflow's right side. Here we'll create a ticket in ServiceNow, aggregate some system info, and record it in the PagerDuty alert. Under the Workflow Designer's toolbox, you'll notice a number of PagerDuty-specific activities. These activities enable you to automate user management, incident management, extract alert information, create and update both alerts and incidents, and of course add notes to them as well. This portion of the workflow does the actual remediation of the PagerDuty incident. First, we grab the information from PagerDuty's alert and parse through it. Based on what it finds, the workflow will execute the appropriate branch. In today's example, we executed the application pool recycling branch. With Ayehu's built-in IIS activity, we can query the status of an application pool and either start or recycle it. Down here, we check if the server is back up, and then we handle our PagerDuty incident accordingly. So far, we've seen PagerDuty's dashboard, an alert for an incident being received, the incident resolved automatically, and the workflow behind it. Now, let's take a look at Ayehu NG's audit trail, which documents the results of every activity executed for any workflow. When IAHU-NG receives external events in real time, it parses them and extracts their field values. Entries for every activities transaction are recorded and can either be viewed in real time or anytime afterwards. This concludes our demo of IAHU-NG's integration with PagerDuty. For more information, please visit our website at iahu.com.